Most of us know what TikTok is. It's one of the most famous social media platform nowadays. Hi and welcome to my YouTube. I'm Sarah here once again with a new topic for you today, which is how to make money from TikTok in 2024. Many people from different countries are showing their talent through this social media platform, and many of them are earning really good money. So I just thought I should share with you some top ways to make money from this platform. I don't want to waste your time, so like always, I will just jump into video. At number one is TikTok Shop for Creators. If you have 1,000 followers, you can start earning money. You need to apply on TikTok, and once accepted, you can earn money from the products. Like you can see here, different products, and it shows the commission you will earn if something is sold. All you have to do is to make videos of these products and add them in showcase. When people buy these products from your link, you will earn commission. For example, this kettle here, it shows 150 commission paid. And you can also search for different other products. Then comes work with artists. You can see in this category there are different songs available which show how you have to make a video and upload on your TikTok channel. And if you have some certain number of views on that video, you will get money. You'll find all the video requirements, and also you'll find the example video for that. Different artists pay different amount. For example, this artist is paying $10 for 5,000 views and $100 for 50,000 views. And it's also showing you the requirements for how to make a video and example video as well. Then comes live gifts. This is one of the most known and famous way of making money on TikTok. Once you have 1,000 followers, you can go live on TikTok. Another way to make money on TikTok is Creator Marketplace. Once eligible, you can find different campaigns here from different brands, and you can apply to become their influencer. If you're accepted, then you can start earning money from these brands to become their influencer. The next way of earning money on TikTok is Creator Rewards Program. The eligibility is that you should be 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. The next way to make money is subscriptions. You can see here the requirements for subscriptions. It says follow TikTok's community guidelines, have live access, go live for at least 30 minutes in the last 28 days, have at least 1,000 followers. This TikTok of mine has only 2,000 subscribers, and it's showing me a rough estimate of 475, which I can earn if I start subscription. It's different for everybody. It depends how good your TikTok is. Another way to start earning money is TikTok Shop for Seller, where you can open your online shop on TikTok. You need to check if your country is in the list of those who can start selling on TikTok, and then you need to sign up. A simple and easy process. I've gone through this once, and you can start making money by selling your products on TikTok. Another way is gaming incentive program, where you play live games and earn money. In your TikTok, you can find available games which you can play and earn the share of money. There are many other ways to earn money with TikTok once you are a successful TikToker. Like different brands contacting you to promote their stuff on your TikTok. I will share more ways to make money on TikTok in another video.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Look after yourself and other people around you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.